Spring is in full swing, and it's time to get outside. Here are some essential April garden tasks. First, clean up debris or dead leaves from your garden to prevent pests and diseases. Second, prepare your soil by adding compost and organic matter to enrich the soil and improve drainage. Third, plant cool season vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and peas. Fourth, prune trees and shrubs to encourage healthy growth. Fifth, fertilize your lawn and garden to encourage healthy growth and lush foliage. Finally, water your plants regularly and check for pests or diseases. Following these essential garden tasks will ensure a beautiful and bountiful garden this spring. And as always, be outside. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new content.